Hello guys! Today I will show you my favorite way to create wings. I will make a fairy moth Blythe doll. So I take a sheet of paper and outline doll's body. It will help me to get the right proportions of wings. Now I should outline the silhouette with marker, otherwise I can accidentally erase it when I will sketch the wings. I mark the place where the wings are attached to the back and sketch the wings. When I'm happy with the result, I transfer the outline on the new sheet of paper. Now I will make a moth wings pattern. Yay! Finally it's done! Now I need a wire to make borders. It will be much easier if I had a piece of glass. But I haven't. So I use plastic file and the duct tape. Using thin wire, I repeat the inner pattern. To fill in the borders, I use UV resin, but you can replace it by epoxy or clear plastic. To pump out the bubbles, I use the flame. And cure the first layer with UV lamp. The second layer is for shimmer and sprinkles. Duochrome powder is the icing on the top of it. One of the 4 wings is done. I should just repeat all steps 3 more times. Ta-da! They look so fantastic. I fastened them in pairs. What a beauty! I put a doll on the wings to check if everything is correct. And in the next video I will show you how to attach wings to the back of the doll. See you! Bye!